Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable anyone can tag you on Twitter or X. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable anyone can tag you on Twitter, go to your browser and browse x.com. In left pane, click on more option, scroll down and you will find the last option, settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Under settings, the first option is your account. Click on your account and then go to account information. Here you just type your password. I'm typing my password here and click on confirm. Here you will find protected posts. Click on protected posts. The second option is photo tagging. Click on photo tagging. Only people you follow can tag you is selected. Here you will find another option. Anyone can tag you. Just select anyone can tag you. Now anyone can tag you is enabled on my Twitter. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.